Today we're going into an essential health subject that every male should be aware of: low testosterone. You see it everywhere, right? Ads for testosterone supplements, articles concerning low T, but it might be hard to differentiate reality from fantasy. That's why we're going to lay down 5 commonly neglected signs of low testosterone that every single male should know. Because let's face it, guys, staying educated is the first step to taking control of your health. We've all had those days, right? You know the ones I'm talking about. The alarm clock blares and you feel like you've barely closed your eyes. You groggily reach out to hush the sounds, longing for just a few more minutes of solitude. The alarm goes off and you just want to press snooze 100 times. You may even hit it once, twice or more, hoping to grab a few additional seconds of relaxation. But ultimately, you have to pull yourself out of bed, feeling like you're moving through molasses. But what if that crushing exhaustion becomes an everyday occurrence? Imagine feeling this way every single day, not just after a late night or an especially hectic week. You find yourself yawning at your desk, trying to keep your eyes awake during meetings, and looking blankly at your computer screen, unable to concentrate. This is where we speak about the difference between regular weariness and the sort of exhaustion that might signify a hormone imbalance. It's crucial to remember that not all weariness is created equal. Sometimes, it's not only about needing more sleep or minimizing stress. It might be your body's way of informing you that something deeper is going on. Low testosterone may be a key cause here. Testosterone isn't simply about muscular mass and libido. It plays a significant function in your overall energy levels. When your testosterone levels decline, it might seem like someone has pulled the plug on your energy reserves. You see, testosterone plays a part in energy generation, and when levels decrease, your get up and go might truly go. Think of those days when you feel invincible, full of energy, ready to conquer any task. That's the power of balanced testosterone levels. But when they're off, even the simplest activity becomes a mountain. We're talking sensation of being depleted sleep. You go to bed for 8 hours and yet you realize you haven't slept at all, and may significantly influence if you're continually cat napping, even after 8 hours. It may be time to start paying attention to what your body is trying to tell you. Chronic weariness isn't something to ignore. It might be an indication that your hormones are out of balance, and resolving this problem can make a world of difference in how you feel day to day. So what can you do if you feel low testosterone is underlying your fatigue? The first step is to speak to a healthcare practitioner. They can do tests to assess your hormone levels and help you understand what's going on within your body. From there, they may prescribe treatment choices, which can include lifestyle modifications, vitamins, or hormone replacement therapy. Lifestyle modifications might also play a key part in controlling tiredness. Eating a balanced diet, getting regular exercise, and managing stress via practices like meditation or yoga may all help promote healthy hormone levels. It's about establishing a comprehensive approach to your well-being. Imagine waking up feeling rejuvenated and ready to take on the day. No more dragging yourself out of bed or battling to remain awake at work. By treating the fundamental cause of your weariness, you may recapture your energy and enhance your entire quality of life. It's not only about surviving each day, it's about flourishing. Remember, you don't have to accept chronic tiredness as your new normal. There are answers out there, and with the correct help, you may discover the energy and vitality you deserve. So take that initial step, speak to a healthcare expert, and start your road towards feeling better. Your body will reward you. Let's speak about something incredibly vital, men: your libido. It's an issue that frequently gets swept under the rug, but it's vital for your general well-being and happiness. We're talking about your sex drive, your desire, your mojo, whatever you want to call it. It's the spark that keeps the connection alive in your relationships and makes you feel energetic and connected. Now, it's entirely natural for your libido to vary over time. Life is full of ups and downs, and your sex drive is no different. It may ebb and flow with the seasons, your emotions, and your general health. Stress, life changes, even the weather may have an effect. A rough day at work, financial problems, or simply a dismal rainy day might dampen your desire. It's all part of being human, but a prolonged and visible reduction in your sex desire, that's a different story. If you discover that your interest in sex has taken a fall and it's not rebounding back, it may be time to look a bit deeper. That's something to pay attention to. It might be an indication that something more substantial is going on with your health, and one of the major characters in this situation is testosterone. Low testosterone may be a big role here. This hormone isn't only about growing muscle and deepening your voice throughout puberty. It's a fundamental component of your sexual health and overall vigor. Testosterone is a major hormone involved in sexual desire and function. It plays a key part in regulating your libido, energy levels, and even your mood. When your testosterone levels decrease, it might seem like the wind has been taken out of your sails. When levels are low, you could notice a decline in spontaneous erections, a weaker sex desire, and even difficulties attaining climax. These changes might be minor at first, but with time they can become more prominent and difficult to ignore. This may certainly put a burden on your relationships and your general confidence. It's not only about the physical act of sex, it's about feeling connected to your mate and sustaining a healthy, rewarding connection. When your libido is low, it may cause a ripple effect, harming your emotional and mental well-being as well. If you're having these symptoms, it's crucial to speak to a healthcare expert. They can help you identify whether low testosterone is the issue and discuss various therapy choices. There are several approaches to manage low testosterone, from lifestyle modifications to medicine. Sometimes, simple lifestyle improvements include altering your nutrition, hitting regular exercise, and controlling stress may make a major impact. In some circumstances, hormone replacement treatment could be prescribed to help bring your testosterone levels back to a healthy range. The good news is that with the appropriate technique, you may rediscover your drive and feel like yourself again. It's all about taking that initial step and obtaining the support you need. Remember, your libido is a vital component of your overall health, and it's worth taking care of, so don't disregard the indications. Pay attention to your body and your sensations. If anything seems odd, seek out for assistance. Your health and happiness are worth it. We all have our ups and downs, right? It's entirely natural to have days when you feel on top of the world, and others when you just want to remain in bed. Life is full with trials and victories, and our emotions reflect it. But what happens when these mood swings start to seem less like regular oscillations and more like a roller coaster you can't get off of? When the highs and lows become intense and unexpected, it's time to pay note. But when mood swings start to seem less like regular oscillations and more like a roller coaster you can't get off of, it's time to take attention. These strong emotional upheavals may be more than simply a response to regular circumstances. They can be a symptom of something deeper going on inside your body. It's vital to pay attention to these signs and comprehend what they could be telling you. Low testosterone may have a big influence on your mood. This hormone plays a key role in regulating numerous physical systems, including your mental well-being. When testosterone levels decline, it may lead to a number of mood-related disorders. You can find yourself feeling more angry, worried, or even sad. These sensations may be overpowering and difficult to handle on your own. Think about it. Testosterone is a potent hormone, and when it's out of whack, it may damage your brain chemistry. This imbalance may alter the delicate balance of neurotransmitters in your brain, leading to mood swings and emotional instability. It's not just about feeling a bit weird, it's about experiencing profound changes in how you see and respond to the world around you. We're talking about increasing irritation, feeling on edge, and trying to find delight in things you formerly loved. These symptoms might make it difficult to maintain relationships, function effectively at job, and enjoy life in general. It's not simply a question of having a terrible day, it's a continual sensation that something isn't right. Even battling with emotions of melancholy or despair. These feelings may be immensely isolating, making it hard to seek out for support. You could feel that you're the only one going through this, but that's far from the reality. Many guys suffer similar concerns, and there are methods to handle them. Now I realize talking about mental health may be tricky for some males, particularly when it comes to sharing emotions of melancholy or despair. There's frequently a stigma linked to these issues, making it tough to speak up. But it's vital to know that you're not alone in this. Seeking aid is a show of strength, not weakness. But it's vital to know that you're not alone in this. There are various services accessible, from therapy and counseling to support groups and internet forums. Connecting with those who understand what you're going through may make a world of difference. It's crucial to take that initial step and seek out for help. Your mental health is equally as essential as your physical health, and taking care of it should be a priority. Let's speak about something. I know a lot of males hold dear their muscles. You hit the gym, you put in the effort, but recently you've realized something's wrong. You're not getting the gains you used to, and you could even be losing muscle mass. This is where low testosterone may truly show its face. Testosterone is needed for muscle development and repair. When levels are low, your body has a tougher difficulty growing and retaining muscle mass. You can also notice a decline in your strength and endurance. It's like your body is working against you, even while you're putting in the effort. Okay guys, let's confront the elephant in the room: hair loss. It's something that many guys encounter as they age, and it may be a great blow to your self-respect. While genetics play a large influence in hair loss, low testosterone may also be a contributing factor. You see, testosterone is transformed into another hormone called dihydrotestosterone, or DHT. DHT may decrease hair follicles, leading to weaker hair and ultimately hair loss. Now it's essential to remember that not everyone with low testosterone will suffer hair loss, and not everyone with hair loss has low testosterone, but it's absolutely something to be aware of. Guys, your health is your most significant possession. If you experience any of these symptoms, it's crucial to check with a healthcare expert. Don't write it off as merely growing older. Get the correct tests, have an open talk with your doctor, and explore the treatment choices that are suitable for you. Remember, knowledge is power. The more you know about your body, the more prepared you are to take responsibility of your health and live your life to the fullest. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more health advice. Looking for high-quality supplements backed by Dr. Andrew Huberman himself? Check out the links in the description below and subscribe and hit the bell icon if you've learned anything new or anything of value.